Welcome back to Drawpedia tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Lucario from Pokemon. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. I'm gonna begin with drawing his right ear with a curved line upwards, sharp turn down, and extend it all the way to his cheek, and a semicircle turn on the right side there to the neck and turn it downwards right there. And going back to the ear, I'm gonna draw a curved line to the left in the middle of the ear, turn it upwards for the left ear, sharp turn back down on the left side of his face, and a curved line downwards. And for the snout, I'm gonna draw a curved line out from that point diagonally to the front, sharp turn down with a curved line and turn it to the right, and another curved line right there to the left side of the neck, line downwards at that point. Inside of the ear, I'm gonna trace the upper line right there, and at the base I'm gonna draw an upside down V shape. I'm gonna do the same thing on the left side as well. For his eye, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line at this point right there. Below that, a semicircle line like that. And for the pupil, I'm gonna draw an oval shape at this left corner of the eye, and a line in the middle. From the middle of the head, I'm gonna draw a curved line down towards the inner corner of the eye, sharp turn out to the right with a curved line to the base of the ear right there. And I'm gonna do a similar shape on the left side there. And from the lower point of the snout, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line up into the right, turn it with a curved line to the right side of his face right there. For his mouth, I'm gonna draw a curved line below the eye right here, and at the base of the neck, I'm gonna draw triangular shape surrounding that point right there, and some more triangle shape at the side. And on the left side as well. Below that, I'm gonna draw a curved line down and a triangle shape at this corner, a curved line for the base, continue the curved line down below the spike, flare it out below the waist, and extend it all the way towards the knee point. And for the right side, I'm gonna draw a curved line down from this point, semicircle turn at the lower point and up, and leave a gap in the middle, and I'm gonna continue that curved line at the top point right here, turn it to the left with a semicircle turn. We're gonna draw another curved line at this intersection, and curved line out from the top point towards the elbow, and at that point the curved line out, a triangle shape at this corner, a curved line base, continue the line of the hand at the side of the spike towards the hand, turn it downwards, and copy the same shape at this corner, and again, and turn it with a semicircular turn at this point upwards, sideways back towards the elbow point, diagonal turn at this point, and in towards the sleeve. Around the wrist, I'm gonna draw some zigzag line, a small one at this corner and a big one at the outer corner right there. Below the sleeve, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line to the center, turn it downwards and flare it out below the waist point right there, and turn it downwards towards the upper point of the knee. I'm gonna draw across a curved line inwards, turn it upwards in the middle, a line across at this point, turn it downwards and across to the left side of the leg. Below the waist, on the left side, I'm going to draw a curved line across, a few triangular shape across at that point, like that. Continue the curved line across at this point, turn it sideways at the top point on the right. I'm gonna do a similar curved line across at this point without the triangular shape in the middle. For the left arm, I'm gonna draw a curved line from this point out, turn it downwards and sideways, similar to the sleeve on the right. Curved line down from this point diagonally towards the elbow, diagonal turn out, back down, a spike at this corner, continue the line downwards to the finger, turn it down, sideways, copy the same shape of the finger, and at this point turn it back up towards the sleeve right there. And around the wrist, I'm gonna draw some zigzag line similar to the one on the right. Now for the hair behind his head, I'm gonna draw a curved line down from this point, semicircular turn at the tip, back up to the side of his cheek. Copy the same shape at this corner right here. And on the left side, a curved line at this point, a curved line below the snout, semicircular turn to the sleeve on the left. Below the shorts, I'm gonna draw on the right here, curved line down, straight line downwards from that point. On the outer corner, a line down, diagonal turn out, semicircular turn downwards to the foot, semicircular turn at the corner, turn it sideways to the left and upwards. Copy the same shape for the other, pause to that point. And on the knee, I'm gonna draw a curved line at this point and a short line at the side. We're gonna copy the same shape of the legs on the left side here. Now for the tail, I'm going to draw a curved line out and slightly upwards, semicircular turn at that point with a curved line out, sharp turn back in diagonally, and a curved line from that point back to the side of the shorts. In the middle of the short, I'm going to draw a curved line right there, and on the knuckles right there, and on the left side as well. And And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time!